get it going. Let's get the camera going. Wow.
Is this actually the only place that still works is in charades? You're like, movie?
Oh man, you are.
Or cranking the telephone?
Right.
See, this is mostly bags to be thrown away unless I actually need one. And
Bags to bitches.
Well, why don't you model them and pick one out for your new job? You're gonna smart yourself right.
No, I'm not throwing away any of the leather goods. I'm just throwing away like the collection of like shopping bags.
Refashion those into
and of
stuff.
like packing materials, you know. Yeah, that's perfect. Thank you, actually.
You got seriously 3 supervisors and 1 person working. Do you need help with anything else?
Go, but don't trust
Better if you don't help him. Right? What have we learned? What have we learned?
Don't touch it.
There has been no point tonight when all of us have been working at the same time.
That's not true. When we were first loading the truck with the boxes, the stuff that you had.
Yeah, but then after that, like we all just started, you know, suddenly Bonnie's googling images of Rufus Wainwright for like half an hour while you're in the truck steaming and waiting for something to show up.
I was packing, and then you know, as it turns out, it was. You know,
I was pacing back and forth between the two.
And then
we went on a beer run, and everything went downhill from there. To be honest,
that's all good.
I think we need more beer.
Oh, you got 3? Wait, what? Huh? So confused.
What? These were the same price as your boxes. P.S.
I know, Jimmy. Thank you. Thank you.
But you didn't pay for them because you're.
But I will cherish them forever. Wait, this is what I keep old newspapers in from college, so that's what that's about. And that, you know, it's kind of crazy.